In Padma Puran, Bhagwan Vishnu says, Vaikunt is not my permanent residence, nor is the heart of yogis. O Narad, I stay where my devotees sing with utmost devotion. Naham vasami vaikunthe yogina hirdena cha mitkatta yantra gayante tatra tisthami narada. भगवान कहते हैं कि हे नारद, मेरा स्थायी निवास न वैकुंठ में है न योगियों के हृदय में, किंतु जहाँ मेरे भक्त भक्तिपूर्वक गान करते हैं मैं वहाँ उपस्थित रहता हूँ. बुक टाइटल गीतमाला 12. Welcome to the 12th volume of Geetmala, or the series of inspiring and motivating songs aimed at awakening the masses, inspiring devotion, eradicating evil traditions, promoting worthy activities, women awakening, character building, selfless service to humanity, edutainment, and so on. Why use songs and music when the message can be easily conveyed through talks? Speeches and talks are indeed useful, but rousing speech does require a good orator to deliver it, as well as a well-educated audience to listen to it. Then only it will appeal more to the intellectual faculty of the listeners. Motivating people to give up self-centeredness and to embrace goodwill and generosity would actually require touching their heart and rousing their finer inner feelings. Music can work like magic here and may have a universal appeal. Tell me how music can work magic in influencing people. It is a well-known fact that just like spoken words, singing also has infinite potential in having an emotional impact. Its misuse in driving the wrong message may ruin someone's character, behavior, life, and future. On the other hand, its proper use can nourish the inner being of a person with the nectar and rouse his or her innate greatness. The message delivered through song is more likely to have a greater and lasting effect than the same message conveyed through an ordinary speech. Many a time, music can make people become so engrossed that they would keep humming to themselves for long after listening to it, and their entire existence too would keep dancing with the words of the song. What are the peculiarities of the Geetmala songs? The songs contain high-minded, rousing messages, but are composed with utmost simplicity in mind, like that of a folk song. They have simple but easy to master catching melodies. They can be sung or sung along even by masses, including illiterate people, either solo or in chorus, and with or without musical accompaniment. However, clapping along and playing tambourine would be just an icing on the cake. Seeing is believing. Try it out yourself. Some excerpts from the book. Expressing gratitude to the nation and Mother Earth and feeling a sense of duty for them. We are greatly indebted to our nation and Mother Earth, where we were born and from where we are obtained food, clothes, knowledge, money, and all other needs. Let us return a favor and pay at least something back. जन्म जहाँ पर हमने पाया, अन्न जहाँ का हमने खाया, तन पर जिसके वस्त्र संजोए, ज्ञान मिला धन धान्य कमाया, है जिसके उपकार हजारों, उसका कुछ तो कर्ज चुकाएं. Temples, mosques, and gurdwaras are begging you all to make yourself a better human being than what you are, to exalt your thinking, actions, and nature, and to leave such glittering trails of goodness that would make the future generations remember your good deeds for ages. मंदिर, मस्जिद या गुरुद्वारा, एक यही है सबका नारा. अपने को इंसान बनाओ, उज्जवल हो कर्मों की धारा. याद करे कुल आने वाले, कुछ ऐसा जग में कर जाएं. Just like Bhagirath, who made unbelievable, tremendous efforts to persuade holy Ganga to descend on earth from the heavens for the good of humanity. Let us make similar heroic efforts to spread pious knowledge far and wide to purify the thinking of the masses. ज्ञान रूपी पावन गंगा को भू पर हमें उतारना, जन मन को पवित्र करने की करो भगीरथ साधना. Conveying the best wishes for birthday. May your birthday be pleasing and promising. May you keep laughing, rejoicing, and developing your character ever more year by year. May your entire existence become brimming with the sheer delight of pure love. मधुर मंगलमय तुम्हारा जन्मदिन हो. तुम हंसो खेलो खिलो हर वर्ष के संग. प्यार के उल्लास में रंग जाए अंग अंग. Learning from Gurudev's exemplary life, Gurudev adopted the lifestyle of selfless service to humanity to do good to one and all, but practiced self-restraint by being strict to himself and very generous to others. Gurudev was an ocean of love for others. We too will adopt and live these ideals in our life. गुरु ने जन जन के हित सेवा की शैली अपनाई थी, लेकिन आत्मनियंत्रण वाली अपनी डगर बनाई थी. अपने लिए कठोर, अन्य के हित उदार बन जाते थे. सबके लिए प्रेम का सागर व अपार बन जाते थे. गुरु सत्ता के सूत्रों को जो जीवन में अपनाएंगे. About today, self-centered society. The world is swarming with beggars, that is, people wanting more and more to serve their insatiable selfish needs. Alas, there are hardly any donors to be seen. याचकों की भीड़ है, दाता यहाँ कोई नहीं. Our only wish is to be of use to the world and to pay back the debt we have incurred through so many lives. These days, humanity has lost its way. People are consuming poison, thinking it to be nectar. People are living in darkness by mistaking the wrong to be right. We need to enlighten ourselves to be able to eradicate prevailing darkness. यही है कामना अपनी, जगत के काम आ जाएं. चढ़ा जन्मांतरों से है, वो सारा ऋण चुका जाएं. भ्रमित हो मनुज अमृत के, भरोसे जहर को पीता. असत को सत समझ करके तमोमय जिंदगी जीता. स्वयं को हम जला करके अंधेरा यह मिटा जाएं. A song singing the praise of Shanti Kunj. If at all there is heaven anywhere, it is indeed here in Shanti Kunj. If there is happiness and peace of life anywhere, it is indeed here in Shanti Kunj. यदि स्वर्ग है कहीं पर, तो यही है और यही है. जीवन का शांति और सुख कहीं है, तो बस यही है. Few topics covered in book are: the theme of the songs in Geetmala volume 12 are an appeal to come forward to serve the nation and Mother Earth, patriotism, prudence, devotion to Guru, Shanti Kunj, glory of human life, sensing the needs of current time and acting on it, women awakening and empowerment, the evil of dowry, Raksha Bandhan festival, Pragya Puran Katha, birthday wishes, mother making an emotional plea to the groom at wedding.